Unit 5, Graded Reader 2. Let's go fishing.
Rashid and Malik are friends. It is Saturday afternoon, and the boys are at Rashid's house.
Shall we play chess, Malik?
I can't play chess. Sorry. But I like going fishing. Can we go fishing?
Yes, we can. Let's go fishing on my dad's boat.
It's a beautiful day. The boys can see lots of birds, and they can see lots of fish.
Look at the birds, Rashid. They are getting fish too.
Yes, they are. And look at her. She can windsurf well. I can't windsurf, but I can get a big fish.
It's a sunny afternoon. The boys are hot on the boat. Malik wants his water. But where is his backpack?
I can't find my backpack. Can you see it, Rashid?
No, I can't. Sorry. Oh, Malik, I've got a fish.
Get the fish carefully, Rashid. Don't hurt it.
It's a big fish. Look, it's brown and orange.
Get it, quickly. Oh, it isn't a big fish. It's my backpack. Thank you, Rashid.
Oh,